Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candace Jenet, and today we're going to be doing a U-part wig. I'm so excited to do this because I've never had a U-part wig before and I've always wanted one. Before we get into the video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to me, hit my notification bell if you haven't already. So y'all, my hair, I just washed it. It's not fully dry, so I'm gonna blow dry it just a little bit and then we're gonna come back and braid my hair down. Okay y'all, so now that my hair is blow dry, we're gonna go ahead and braid it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me.
And I'm gonna do like middle part leave out.
I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
And I'm gonna braid it. I'm gonna just put it in two braids. I'm gonna just put it in two braids, y'all.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, to me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, and I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take.
Okay y'all, so now I'm gonna just pin them with some bobby pins.
I just take it day by day.
Okay y'all, so the wig that I'm gonna be doing today is from UNice. I don't know if y'all can see. It's a 24-inch wig, and this is what comes in the box. So we got lashes. Look at the lashes. These came in the box. As well as wig cap and like a wig band. But like, I don't really do lace, so I won't be using that. This is how the wig looks. Y'all, this is my first U-part wig. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so straight out the packaging, this is what we looking like. Okay. Let's just hope I have enough leave out space. Let's hope I did enough. Okay. Okay. We looking like something. Okay, y'all. This is what it looks. Oh, wait, hold on. This is what it looks like, and I'm assuming I cut those off right there. That's what it looks like. Let me get some scissors, y'all, and I will be right back. Here, so I cut it, y'all. So you're supposed to just clip it on. So let's see. Okay, let's see. So let me undo the clips, you guys. Okay, so it's definitely not as easy as it looks. Okay, I got those in. I don't know how this is gonna stay because my hair is so soft. Okay, now I just gotta clip. It's kind of big. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the wig cap itself is kind of big. So let me, hold on, y'all. Is it clips right here? Yes. Okay, it's clips right here. So let me, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like clip right there. So let me push it under. There we go. Pull that forward, clip it in. Okay. Then we just gotta clip. Hold on, let me pull that one forward. My hair is very fine too, guys, so I probably would tease. I probably would tease my hair before I put it on there. Okay. Yeah, I'm loving it, low key. Okay, and I think I got it right. I'm not gonna lie, the wig cap is kind of big in the back. Like, I got some space. I got a little bit of space. And usually, the problem with some wigs, it'd be too small. It has a lot of space. Hold on. Let me adjust it, y'all, and I'll be right back. Yeah, it's definitely big head friendly. Okay, y'all, so now that we got that, let me flatten my wig down. Okay. Okay, y'all, so it's the wig is 24 inches. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it's pretty soft. Like, if you had, like, I don't know, y'all, look. The hair is really soft. It's just the wig cap is so daggone big. Like, I mean, you want room, but do you need this much room now? And I figure I should probably do less leave out. But I'm the type of person that likes to do, I really like to do side parts too. So that's the only reason why. My hair, I just hate, I'm really ready for this bob to grow out. Really ready for this bob to grow out, y'all. Nah, this wig is really big. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I wish they had a cap size option. Like, if you have a big head and you struggle with wigs being too small, this is gonna be the wig for you. Like, it's so crazy because before my struggle with wigs was it being too small. Now this wig is too big. But I wonder if there's a way to like make the, you know, cap size smaller. Yeah, my flat iron's so dirty. Please don't look at it. Like, I guess with this, you would just have to do minimal leave out because the leave out I be doing, ankle is not going, it's not gonna work. And I do have oil in my hair, y'all, because it was so dry. I have some rosemary and mint oil in my hair. I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe it just needs some, maybe it's just because it needs some body. I will say it's very natural looking though. I will say that. I like it though. I have like a love-hate relationship with it right now. I can't lie to you. I mean, it's a good little length. There's 150 density. I don't know. Y'all put in the comments what you think about it. Put in the comments what you think. And I'm gonna put the link to the wig in the description. But if you had this wig, let me know what you did to make the cap size smaller, because there's a lot of room back here. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video. Very short video. I don't even know if this video made it to like 15 minutes. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Super simple hairstyle. Like, I definitely would get this if I would put this on if I'm going to the store. I'll put this on if I'm going to the club. I'll put this on if I was going shopping, like going to work. This is definitely a very quick and easy hairstyle to do. I would say like 10 out of 10 would recommend, but it's kind of like an 8.5 out of 10 for me right now, just because of the inconvenience of the cap size being so big. So now I got to figure out how to make it smaller to fit my head. But I mean, other than that, it would be a 10, but you know. I mean, the hair is so silky though. It really is silky, like look. Okay, like I said, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit my notification bell so you're notified when I upload. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's been like 3 weeks, but yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching me.